Today we are going to do the plural of the nouns. So let's get started. If you are new, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Most of the nouns add only s. For example, car, cars, train, trains. Some of the nouns ending in f or fe. So we have to drop f or fe and add ves. For example, life will become lives, leaf will become leaves, and knife will become knives.
The nouns ending in y, after a consonant, drop y and add ies. For example, diary will become diaries, baby will become babies, candy will become candies. Nouns ending in s, sh, ch, x, o add es. Brush has become brushes. Bunch has become bunches. Mango has become mangoes. Box has become boxes.
I hope that you have understood better than before. Now next time while making the plurals, you will add correct words with the respective nouns. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.